Hello friends, today we are in Istanbul Kılıçdaroğlu Pasha Mosque. Derya Kılıçdaroğlu Pasha had it built. The architect is Mimar Sinan. It was opened in 1580. There is a social complex consisting of a school, a madrasa and a bath.
It is the first mosque built on the sea.
So, why was this mosque built?
Because it's captured on the sea. The mosque built by Mahmud and called Nusretiye was opened for worship in 1826. The building is one of the largest mosques built outside the borders of historical Istanbul. Fındıklı Mosque was built by Mimar Sinan in 1586 by Mehmet Hüsnü Efendi, who was the judge of Bursa and Istanbul during the reign of the Sultan of the Magnificent.
Dolmabahçe Mosque was initiated by Sultan Abdülmecit's mother and completed by Sultan Abdülmecit after his death. Dolmabahçe Mosque was opened to worship with a Friday ceremony on March 23, 1955, after a construction process of more than two years.
Sinan Pasha Mosque in the Beşiktaş of Desert Istanbul and Oktaş in the Beşiktaş Pier. It was built by Sinan Pasha, the captain of the Ottoman, between 55 and 553. The was complete in 1555.
Its architect is Nikos Balyan, one of the famous architects of the park. At the entrance of the mosque, Sultan Abdülhamit Khan, it has the signature of. The names of the four caliphs are right in between its windows.